My name is Jexy, and I am here to make your life better.
Alexa will guide you through some things to try with your voice.
Say happy birthday in Spanish.
Alexa, how do you say happy birthday in Spanish?
Happy birthday in Spanish is
Feliz cumpleaños.
Alexa, help me get started. We are gonna try and change the language now from English to Spanish and see if is gonna respond to our request in Spanish. To do that, we go to settings, go down and go to language, look for Spanish, apply. Spanish is not fully supported in your country. Some Alexa features and content may be unavailable. Are you sure you want to switch to language? Change language. Now that it's in Spanish, we're gonna activate the wake word. Alexa, reproduce música clásica en Amazon.